Toys R Us because it's $35 at the coupon. Yes, we got a thank you, Vicky. Alright, this is from Cha-Cha. Who's more fun than Winnie the Pooh? You like Winnie the Pooh, eh? Winnie the Pooh. Peekaboo, the answer is you. Happy first birthday. Yeah, that's sweet. Alright, this is from Cha-Cha. Bring her a bit more, sit a bit more in here because you're a bit out of the camera.
I don't want to be in the camera.
Well, you are going to be in the camera. Look, Caitlin. Yeah, for your room, a precious moment. First birthday figure. Alright, just wait. No, no, no. We don't eat the box. Hold it over here. Caitlin! Caitlin! You look away. Let's not throw this stuff down.
Talking about me?
Alright. And here's another card. Yeah, you want the envelope? Okay. Granddaughter, you're 1. On the day you were born, who could have known all the marvelous things you could do on your own? Who could have known just how cuddly you'd be and how you'd bring so much love to the whole family? Happy first birthday with love from Grandma and Grandpa. Alright.
What did I give you? You give her 30?
No, she did the 200, the 100 for her bank, and then
What's
the 100
that?
for the gifts here.
Oh.
Alright. These gifts.
Oh.
Alright, so these are from Grandma and Grandpa, okay?
What was that check though?
The check is to pay for these gifts.
Oh.
Yeah! Look at that! A princess blocks. A castle there that you can build. Let's hold the camera here. Okay, well, let's take a picture of you with it.
Let's put everything in a damn mouth. Hey.
Alright. Here's another one. What's that? It's a telephone. Because you love to use our phone. Yeah, alright, just wait. So the camera here. Alright. Alright, just wait. Alright, Caitlin, look over here.
Look over here.
Caitlin. Not one of you in your mouth. We already got plenty of you with things in your mouth. Alright, rip it open. Rip it open. Rip. Rip. Come on, Caitlin. He's doing more of a job ripping here than you are. Give it one chance to rip paper.
Okay.
Alright, look, Caitlin. Look, it's a car. It's a car with a little girl in there and some more blocks for you to play with. Caitlin, look to the camera. Oh, don't have the car fall. I can't get good pictures of her. Alright. Look, some more Baby Einstein DVDs.
Alright.
Alright, that's part one of this gift here. Alright, this is part two. Come on, yeah, rip it. Rip. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, what's this? Look, it's a bunch of Baby Einstein DVDs. Yeah, you want a picture? Caitlin!
Look
Caitlin!
up.
Caitlin! Oh, no, let's do another one. You look sad in that one. Caitlin! Caitlin! Do another one. Your half cut off. Your half. Caitlin! Alright, I'm just gonna make like that. You're not as easy to do pictures. Alright, and this is her from us as well. Remember? It's got all these toys here.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah. This part. Alright. Okay. Ethan. You like that, huh? Yeah? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Alright. I think you made out pretty good today, Caitlin. And then you're going to get even more presents tomorrow. Let's flip the camera here. Alright. And all this paper in here. You want to go down and play with your toy? Yeah. Give me that picture frame there. I don't want to play with that. So there. And these Baby Einstein DVDs. And then later today we'll go to Toys R Us and see if they have that water table. And
What is that?
It's just a table you can hold water in. So she could play with it outside. Kind of like a sink.
Oh.
You know?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.